everybody, and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you how to crochet this very nice and soft crochet baby bonnet made in Drops Baby Merino. This is a super easy project and I'm sure you can join even if you are totally new to crochet. So let's get started. So the first thing we have to do when making our bonnet is to make a magic circle. So I'm going to wrap my yarn over my two fingers like this and have it here on top, making a little X. Then I'm going to take my crochet hook down underneath the bottom yarn and grab the top yarn with my hook and pull it through. And then I'm going to make a chain like that. And I will make one more chain. And here I have my magic circle. And here into my magic circle I'm going to make 12 double crochet. So I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook into the circle, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. And I will do that 12 times. And as I go, I can just pull my yarn tail to make the hole smaller. And when I'm done making all my 12 double crochet, I'm just going to pull my yarn tail one last time to close the circle. And here in the end, I'm going to make a slip stitch into the first stitch. And to start my second round, I'm going to chain 2. And here in round 2, I'm going to make 2 double crochet in every stitch around. So 24 stitches in total. I now have 24 stitches and I'm going to end this round with a slip stitch into the first stitch. And to start round 3, I will again chain 2. And in round 3, I'm going to make 2 double crochet into the first stitch. And when I have 2 double crochet into the same stitch, this is also called a double crochet increase. And into the next stitch I'm going to make a double crochet. And into the next I will again make a double crochet increase. So I will make 2 double crochet into the same stitch. And I will repeat that all the way around, and I will have 36 stitches at the end of the round. I now have 36 double crochet, and I will end this round with a slip stitch into the first stitch. And I will chain 2 to start round 4. For round 4 I will make a double crochet increase into the first stitch, and I will make a double crochet into the next 2 stitches. So first I will make 2 double crochet into the same stitch, and I will make 1 double crochet into the next 2. And I will repeat that all the way around, and in the end I will have 48 stitches. I now have 48 stitches, and I will end my round with a slip stitch into the first stitch. And I will chain 2 to start round 5. And again I will make a double crochet increase into the first stitch. And I will make a double crochet into the next 3 stitches. And again I will repeat this all the way around. So I will make a double crochet increase into the next stitch. And a double crochet into the next 3. At the end of row 5 I should have 60 stitches all the way around. And again I will end my round with a slip stitch into the first stitch. And I will chain 2 to start round 6. And for round 6 I will make a double crochet increase in the first stitch. And I will make a double crochet into the next 4 stitches. And I will repeat that all the way around. And here at the end of round 6 I should have a total of 72 stitches. I will now make a slip stitch into the first stitch and chain 2. And for round 7 I'm going to make a double crochet increase into the first stitch. And I will make a double crochet into the next 5 stitches. And I will repeat that all the way around so that I will have 84 stitches at the end of the round. And here at the end of the round I will again make a slip stitch into the first stitch. And I will chain 2 to start round 8. And for round 8 and round 9 I will make a double crochet in every stitch around. And I will end round 9 with a slip stitch into the first stitch. I'm now finished working on the back head of my bonnet, and as you can see I have a nice round shape. And I will now continue to work in rows of half double crochet. So to start row 10 I'm going to chain 1 and I'm going to make a half double crochet into the next 76 stitches. So to make a half double crochet I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. And I will do that 76 times. I have now made 76 half double crochet, and as you can see I have 8 stitches left in my round. But I'm going to leave these stitches unworked, as these stitches will be the neckline of my bonnet. So I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. And for row 11 to row 20 I'm just going to make a half double crochet in every stitch across. I have now finished my 20th row, and I have a total of 11 rows of half double crochet. I am now finished with the main part of my bonnet, and I will now make the straps in my bonnet. And to make the straps, I will chain 43. When I have made all my 43 chains, I will skip the first chain from the hook, and into the second chain from the hook, I'm going to make a single crochet. And I'm going to make a single crochet in all the chains across. I have now reached the edge of my bonnet here, and I'm now going to make a single crochet all around the sides here and the neckline. And to make the strap in the other side, I will again chain 43. And again I will skip the first stitch and make a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. And I will make a single crochet in every stitch across. And here at the end, I'm just going to skip the next stitch, and into the next I'm going to make a slip stitch. And I'm now ready to fasten off my yarn. And the only thing left to do now is to sew in my ends. And that is how you make this very simple and perfect little baby bonnet. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to write me in the comments section. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for new videos. I really hope to see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.